What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Cardiar Fresh from Cardiar Fresh TV, and today we are in Bali, Indonesia, baby. And we are starting a new series, The Traveler's Kitchen, co-starring my beautiful wife, Malika J. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let her take it over and tell you about the meal, what we're about to eat, and all of that, and why she even picked this place.
All right. Well, it's been an exciting journey, and this is like a whole new adventure for us. And that's really the idea. We want to have fun. We want to go on a new adventure every day. So they said, well, you want to go today? And let's make our own experience. So first thing that came out of my mouth was Bali. So boom.
We're here,
Materialized.
We're here, baby. So
yeah, that's right. So, you know, I've always dabbled a little bit in, you know, cooking and stuff like that. And again, like to have fun, try new things, new experiences. So let's try out the cuisine of said destination. Bebek Betutu is the dish.
I can't pronounce that, so good job.
Yes. So it smells, you know, I know the spices and whatnot, the aromas are, you know, superb as far as the reviews go. And I never had duck before, so I'm really, really excited to try it. All right, so without further ado, let's get this party started. My mouth is watering.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so they said lay out about 3 or 4 banana leaves. These are huge. Never actually seen them in person, but I'm gonna lay them probably opaque side up, and then I'm just gonna set the duck on top. Which way should I set it? It doesn't matter. Let's just set it down. It's a her. Okay. And now we're just gonna give it a nice massage with this golden honey right here. Let's go. Let's get dirty. So we're just gonna rub her down, you know, and we're gonna wrap her up in these leaves in a hot minute. Should we put some more on the inside? Now we're gonna put her night-night. Let's see. Okay. All right. And, you know, looks like she's pretty well covered. Okay. And then I'm gonna need some assistance from this handsome cameraman to get her all wrapped up in some foil and get her outside on the grill. Okay, you guys, we've got the duck. We had it on the grill for about an hour, and we're gonna unwrap it and see what we have. It smells delicious. We have our beautiful duck, but one more finishing touch. Although it's cooked fully through, we're gonna go ahead and put it under the broiler to give it that nice golden bronze look that we all like. So one more step and then it's time to eat. All right, guys, what's up? We are so ready to eat this Bebek Betutu that I have prepared for you guys. We're gonna get it all plated up and have a wonderful dinner on the beach, me and my hubby. So looking forward to joining y'all and having a good time. See you there.
Alright guys, so we're finally back after being in the kitchen. As you get it, the traveler's kitchen, so you kind of get an idea of what we're doing. So now, without further ado, as you see, it looks yummy, delicious. I'm ready to dig in and feast, so
Cheers.
cheers. Alright, so let's go ahead and dig in and see what's up. So, to explain the process a little bit, like, because this is a little unique, because a lot of people that don't know how to cook duck, like, this isn't easy.
No. Very fatty meat. So it took a lot longer to cook than expected. I didn't know it was all dark meat. To really absorb the flavors of the banana leaf, I can taste. And the spices really all together. Bones. Watch out for bones. Is that a duck thing?
Yeah. I hate the bones. So,
Okay.
we're going to say the bones. Nah, no bueno to the bones, man. I don't like the bones.
This meat is good though.
But yeah.
Now, the whole baking process, you can tell, it's just so tender. Everything just cut. I mean, this is beautiful. And it's really delicious. So, definitely gonna do this again. Put a little bit of like a sambal, sweet rice vinegar with chilies on it. You like this, Candace? Anything tastes good out here on this beautiful beach.
I don't know. But they definitely got something like this. We're going to have to find out. There's a lot of dishes to explore and taste, so.
True.
I guess, why Bali?
I like tropical. I like Indonesian food. I know that, and I knew that's the direction we were going. So, Bali. Shoot.
I honestly haven't really even heard of Bali till she mentioned it. I had to actually go and do some research, and I was like,
Wow.
But I will say this is not my first time seeing this plate, because I have friends who are, Indian and stuff like that. And definitely, man, I'm talking about delicious. This definitely reminds me of some of the cuisines that I've had in the past. So, as you see the bones, they fall right off, like, just slide them right out. Just,
I mean,
left and right, I'm like, man, ooh.
that's beautiful.
Look at that. Oh, I'm on the wrong side of the duck. I'm supposed to be over here.
Turn it around.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this might be the best bird I ever cooked.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I don't know.
It's on the menu, babe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I would say that quail, man. Well, oh yeah, we're gonna go to Mexico. You know what I'm saying? Probably soon.
Oh, for sure. That's my second favorite cuisine.
And have some Mexican style cooked quail. Very delicious. First time I ever had it was at Papacito's, so
Anybody's familiar, throw out a recipe.
One top of the bones for real, like
Yo.
that's the one thing. The only thing I will say is the bones. And I don't really like dark meat when it comes to like my food and stuff. I prefer white meat because it just do shit to me. But at the same time, I like spice, so dark meat normally spicier. So I'm kind of stuck in between the two.
Yeah.
Right now, Complication? Scale 1 to 10. What do you think? Complication?
You know, I'm going to have to go. Original thought was this was going to be real easy. Honestly, that's why I picked the recipe. Me not being familiar with meat, all said and done, I'm going to give it like a 7 on the difficulty range, you know.
Now, you did say on camera, though, that this felt like it was more difficult than cooking a turkey.
Well, I said that, and I've never cooked a turkey. But from what I've seen, yeah, there's a lot more, like I said, there's a lot more fat on it. You got to let that cook off, and then you got to finish roasting it. So, you know, depending on the size of the bird, you know, if you're going to trim the fat, you know, how long you leave it in the banana leaves and whatnot, you know, there's a lot of sensitive factors that if you don't get just right, it's going to, you know, be too dry, it's going to be undercooked. Don't want that.
I'm trying to think, but I'm like enjoying my food so much. I'm like, man,
that's pretty good, y'all.
Yeah, like the Verizon, T-Mobile, Sprint. Somebody need to come up, or Samsung, Apple, or somebody need to come up with a way you can actually smell through the screen. Cause I'm telling you, man, it's hard to even talk, man.
They got that one app where you can add the salt water smell to. It's delightful.
Oh yeah. I don't know what you're talking about. But if I was going to rate this here, based on the difficulty it took to cook it, the spices, the herbs, preparation, and everything, I give it a 9.5. Like I said, the bones really kind of take away from the pleasure because you kind of find yourself constantly picking them.
And like I said, it's not the juiciest meat, so a good sauce will go a long way.
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
this, I think.
Yeah. So I would definitely say 9.5. So
Difficulty range or taste wise?
overall.
Overall. Okay.
Overall. Well, as you can see, it's a beautiful environment around us. Delicious place. We're going to finish eating.
Yes.
Because I'm going to tell you right now, this is going to be a really long video if we don't stop it right now. So
Y'all should try it. Y'all give it a hand. So
I want to say shout out to the chef again, Jay.
thank you, thank you.
Hey, if you want to see more episodes of the Traveler's Kitchen, leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? Let us know what you think, places you would like for us to go and see, especially with the lockdown. I know a lot of people just want to go and see different things. So whenever this beautiful here woman cooks the cuisine, that's where we're going. So next stop, we'll see. So stay tuned. Anything you want to say?
I just love y'all and thank y'all so much.
So we're going to go back to eating, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So y'all already know who it is. It's your boy Cardiar Fresh from Cardiar Fresh TV, and
Hey, it's Malika J.
Traveler's Kitchen. You know my slogan. I got the recipe, baby. Now let's cook.
Right.
Peace.